Let's take a quick look at a KWA Centurion Arms CM4 Handguard. You can see the markings here. The finish is more of a smoother type, and all the edges are fairly straight. The rounded parts are round. It looks very nice. And if you wonder how this rail is going to look like on your AR-15, all you have to do is just get a visual photo of the CM4 online, and basically that's what at least your front end of your rifle is going to look. Now this rail is quite interesting because it doesn't have a barrel nut, but instead it is clamped down on this thing, which is a disassembled bell tie ring, which is the back cap thing of the M4 handguard, the spring-loaded thing that you'll have to pull down to take off your handguard. All you have to do is take one of these from one of your intended rifle and disassemble it. Put it in there, see if the screws clamp down on it properly. These 4 screws and these 2 screws hold the bottom section in. And if the delta ring is too close to the upper receiver, if so, the upper portion of the rail is going to be like crooked down like so, because the delta ring is too close. All you have to do is shim that a little bit with some barrel shims and it'll be alright. Now I'll take this thing apart. It's just these screws, so come back after I've taken it apart. I've taken the screws off. These are metric screws, fairly easy to replace from a hardware store. Now the bottom of the rail can come off. It is a little tight, so you might want to force it open a little bit, then take it off. The front sections are held in like so. Like so. Now, here's the interesting part. Here's a gray piece here blocking the gas tube hole. And there's a screw there. All you have to do is take that grub screw off. Hold on. The screw off, as you can see here. Then this piece will come off. And the threads are inside of this block, and it has a design to it, a cutout there. And now this part will be open, so you can have a gas tube, which is going to be non-functional for your airsoft gun, able to go through that place. Alright, so that is probably a pretty good overview of this rail here. Thanks for watching.